Hi, today we are going to see how to become Instagram influencer. So I am going to tell you several steps that you can follow. Step 1. You can choose your niche. To appeal on the interested audience on Instagram, you have to need a niche. It is not good thinking you can post about everything and anything on social media platform. That changes your audience also being interested in piano playing, cartoon drawing, windsurfing and 80s fashion are pretty slim. Step 2. Think of a catchy name. Your Instagram username or your handle as otherwise known. It is something that will stick with you throughout your career as an Instagram influencer. It is what your follower will know you by and will give both your audience and approaching brands the first impression of who you are and what you are all about. Step 3. Have a business or creator profile. Instagram gives you two options to creating your account depending on how you plan to use it: personal and business account. If you use Instagram every day for general posting, you mostly like a personal account. Personal accounts are pretty simplest and designed for people who have just shared picture with their friends. An Instagram business account, on the other hand, is intended to use business or creators. You are going all the same feature and function of personal account, but with a bonus, you can view Instagram Insight on your post, Instagram Story, Instagram Reels, followers, demographic and more. Step 4. Use nice profile picture. A nice personal profile photo can, alongside a catchy, relevant username, create the right first impression when your follower click into your account. Step 5. Write an interesting bio. Instagram bio don't give you a lot of space to write about yourself, only 150. To be exact, it is important to make every word count. Step 6. Get the best of hashtag. One of the easiest way to get noticed on Instagram to use relevant hashtag. This wouldn't be a good how to become Instagram influencer guide without discussing hashtag use. You can add hashtag to your post story and your bio. Step 7. Find apps that can help you to get brand collaboration. Once you reach the stage your profile filled out, you have been posting consistently at least a few months and you have few thousand followers, it's time to start looking for brand deals. Make co-promotion with other influencers. The influencer world can often feel quite cutthroat. After all, influencers are often compete against one another for collaboration, even content. There is a big focus on who can take the best photo, particularly popular travel destination, wearing a particular fashion piece, or working with a particular brand. Create a lot of fresh content. Starting an influencer account may feel easy if you have backlogged the content to post. But what happened? You have posted it all. So you have to make the fresh content to show your audience. Step 10. Be vulnerable and transparent. In many ways, when you are an influencer, you become a brand. But it does not mean that you should behave like most brands, withdrawn, professional and impersonal. So that's some of the steps or tricks for becoming an Instagram influencer. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.